In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom blog template using Wix. If you've ever wanted a consistent look for all your blog posts or want to streamline your content creation process, this is the perfect tutorial for you. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive right in. First, we'll start on the Wix dashboard. This is the control center for everything on your site. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to locate the blog section. It's usually found on the left side of your screen, among other sections such as media or settings. Now, click on it. This will direct you to the blog management area, where all the blog magic happens. Next, you'll see various options specific to your blog. Our focus today is on creating a brand new template. Look around for the Create Template button. It should be prominently displayed, inviting you to click. Once you find it, go ahead and click. From the options that appear, select Start from a blank Wix canvas. Choosing this option encourages creativity, allowing you to tailor the template exactly to your style and functional needs. You'll next need to give your template a name. This name should be something descriptive, especially if you plan on creating multiple templates. A well-chosen name will ensure you can easily find and differentiate this template in the future. After you've thought of the perfect name, type it in and then click Create Template. With this, you've now established a new project that we are going to customize. Now it's time for the fun part, building the template itself. Wix Editor is an intuitive and powerful tool that you'll use here. With its variety of features and effects, you can start crafting your perfect blog post template. Take your time exploring different fonts, layouts, and color schemes. Think about the overall feel and functionality you want your blog to have. This might include headers, footers, or specific places for images and video content. Be creative and align your template to reflect your brand's aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's crucial to save your work. Saving will ensure that your efforts aren't lost and that your template is ready for future use. Click on the Save option, and just like that, your template is stored. This saved template is now easily accessible for all your new blog posts, making it simpler to maintain a cohesive look across your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only created a unique blog template, but also simplified your blogging workflow. Remember, you can always revisit and tweak the template later on if you feel it needs some adjustments or updates. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.